What's up, guys? Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. I'm back with another one. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back with another program, if you will. This is an affiliate program, okay, where you can receive instant commissions. Told you guys I'm going to continue to share with you guys my experience with these digital products. All right, these are what I like to call the no rug pull programs. So here's another one, okay, where you can earn up to $300 a day, okay, and get the blueprint to how to do that, okay, using social media, which is a free platform. All right, you can check this particular project out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out. All right, in the meantime, check out this video. Check it out.
And for all, even if you're a complete newbie, the super simple step-by-step process for making commissions that creates a life-changing income online using proven, high-converting pre-written templates, making it simple for you to earn instant 100% commissions and change your financial situation for good. Remember wanting more out of life? Imagine what it would be like to skip the learning curve, cut straight to the front of the line, and start making 100% commission sales. Wake up to new orders flooding your inbox. No longer worried about how you're going to pay bills or put food on the table. Quit your boring day job. Give up the rat race and start leading a life you love instead. Stop wasting money on shiny objects, collecting tools and learning skills that don't work. Have more money in the bank to pay your bills, take a vacation, or build your business even bigger. Now imagine what it would be like to accomplish all of those things. Because you can, with this proven method for making real money from home. In fact, you can start or further your money-making journey with this direct sales opportunity that sells in-demand internet marketing training anywhere you can get internet connection, meaning you can stop struggling and start earning payments over and over each and every day. Want an automated business that earns you money? Just post our proven, high-converting ads on social media and classified sites like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist, and the system does the rest. Want a golden ticket to go where you want to go and do what you want to do? Use the same formula that thousands of other internet marketing amateurs, just like you, are using to become professional players in the game of life. You'll get high-converting headlines and ad templates, 20-plus educational training videos, unlimited support access if you ever need help, and all the resources you'll need for generating leads and sales in any business. There's no inventory to buy or stock, no SEO, no tech skills to learn, and definitely no cold calling or bugging your friends and family. If you can follow a few simple steps and copy and paste your pre-written ads on the most popular websites in the world like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist, you can get a tidal wave of free traffic and new sales each and every day. It's incredibly easy to start and use, even if you have no job, no education, no experience, no network, and no confidence. No matter how bad you've struggled in the past, you can succeed in 3 easy steps. 1. Unlock. Choose which membership level you'd like to join. 2. Log in. Access your vault of proven, pre-written ads and training videos. 3. Take off. Copy your ads on sites you use every day like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Craigslist to get paid daily. The entire proven system has been simplified and perfected so anyone can succeed. There's no shopping carts, no inventory, no cold calling, no hosting hotel meetings, no bugging friends and family, and no monthly fees. You'll get the same proven pre-written ads that we use every day, so you never struggle to make money again. 3 ways to get paid to help you take control of your life and finances. Dozens of training videos to ensure you complete each simple step with precision. Live team webinars to help you close your sales at no additional cost. Get paid daily with 100% instant commissions straight to your account. Think about it. Running a profitable online business usually requires years of failing and thousands of dollars just to get started. Skip the failures and frustration and jump straight to the profits. Choose from one of the 3 membership digital marketing training packages. What do you really want to do with your life? Things won't change unless you decide you want them to. Open a new world of possibilities. This is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused. You're looking for a way to make some extra income for you and your family, and you're ready for your big break. You're tired of your job, or even don't want to have one at all, and want to get paid daily instead of every 2 weeks. It's all set up for you inside. Click below and see for yourself just how effective this system really is. This is a global opportunity, helping people from all over the world generate an extra income working from home with nothing but a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop or cell phone. The choice is now yours. Will you invest a few dollars in a couple of minutes now to potentially change your life forever? Or keep procrastinating and getting what you've been getting? Get more out of life and live it on your own terms. Click below. Punch your golden ticket to success.
Alrighty. You heard it, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at the products and what you will receive. All right. Okay, you're going to get your members area. In your members area, you're going to receive training. That's what this is. It's going to teach you and show you how to promote this opportunity. All right, as you can see right here to the left, learn how to create your automated sales funnel, how to get more sales faster with paid advertising. Basically, that's what traffic is. How to grow your list every month and get more sales. What to say when people ask you specific questions. Winning mindset. You've got to have the right mindset to do any business. The art of persuasion and influence. You get ad copy, pre-written ads, and bonus images. All right, they tell you how to upgrade your account if you want to do that. You get a 7-day action plan for success. How to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. You get Facebook training, Craigslist marketing training, Instagram training, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, and how to automate your business with the 6-figure system. And of course, some extra bonus hotel and restaurant discount vouchers. All right, and you're going to get a customized website. So your website is going to cost you a one-time $39, okay? Because it's going to be customized to you with your information on it. All right, now let's take a look at the some of the training breakdown here. Hang on a second. Okay, this is a one-time payment, guys. There's no monthly fees here. There's 3 training packages. Okay, they have what they call the starter level training package. It's $50 plus your one-time $39 for your website, right? So that's going to be $89. In there is lots of training, which is what I read over to you a second ago. But each training package has specific training. So as you can tell, the starter package doesn't have as much as the elite package. So the elite package is everything here plus more. Okay, as you can see the breakdown of what's included here. This one would be $150 plus your one-time $39. Everything is one time. $150 plus 39, so $189. This training package. But when you purchase this training package for $189, you also are going to get what's included in this starter level package, right? All the training, everything I was talking about over there. So you can see the Craigslist training, Facebook marketing, Facebook group you're going to be associated with. You're going to be added to that group. Okay. And then over here is the $300 training package. Now, if you get the $300 package, that's $300 plus $39. These two will be included. Okay? So, you're going to get everything from the starter package and the elite package included in the pro package. All right? And you can set up your account, guys, to get paid any way you like. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, debit card, etc. All right? Great training. I use this training over and over and over again. It never gets old. It's not a trend. It's evergreen. Okay? So you're going to always be able to, and we're able to resell, okay, these training packages. And you're paid directly from the person that signs up with you instantly and directly. Okay? So go check this out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right? Let's take a look at something else here. Hang on one second. Here's just a breakdown of the illustration, if you will, of the compensation, okay, on how this is set up. Remember, we just talked about the $50 training. You're able to resell that training and earn $50 commissions over and over and over, right? So if you were to sell one per day, right? One package per day, $50 a day, every week, that's $350. If you sold 3 per day, $1,050, right? And so forth. So see the difference in the 50. Okay, just check out the illustration so you can get an idea of how this would flow. And you decide which package you would want to get in, where you fit in. If you decided to get the $150 training package, just imagine this. 1 sale a day, $150 per day, 7 days a week, right? $150 a day. Weekly, that would be $1,050. Monthly, that'll be $4,200, right? What about if you can make $300 per day, 1 per day? 1 per day for 7 days would be what? $2,100. For the month, that would be $8,400. But it all depends on you, right? Because you got to take action. We show you how to promote the program. Like I said, you can even do it on social media. We know social media is free. Or you can do paid advertising. We show you how to do that as well. You will have the step-by-step training. That's the thing. So it's not like, well, I have this, I don't know what to do. You get your back office, which is what I just showed you. In here, it has all the training you're going to need, as well as my guidance. You'll have access to me, being able to get the one-on-one support, the one-on-one dialogue, ongoing, okay, as well as my traffic methods and my daily method of operations on how I do things. All right, guys? So you won't be in business by yourself. All right, so check this out. Another alternative, again, to the rug pulls. These are real programs that people sign up for, okay, that teaches you how to make money online, okay? It's evergreen, okay? Trust me. I think I've been in this one for maybe 2 years, okay? And people want to learn how to make money with their smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection. This is a great way to get started learning that as well. Again, the lowest package is $50, website $39. So $89 there, $189 if you select this one, and $339 if you want all three. $339 will include all three of these. All right. So go check it out. www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, guys. So number 1, get started. Join one of the levels. Get your products. Everything is digital, guys, so you don't have to worry about anything coming in the mail, any of that stuff. You don't have to download anything. All you're going to need is your smart device, Wi-Fi connection. You can log in and you'll go right here. You get a back office like this. You'll be able to go right to your products. Get your training, Doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so you can post on social media. We'll show you how to do that, or you can do paid advertising. 3 steps though, that's it. Get started. Either post for free on social media or do paid advertising. Show you how to do that. And then step 3, start collecting 100% commissions. That's the difference. 100% commissions paid directly to you any way you want. All right, link is in the description. Go check it out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.